right? So look at the bar 31 and look at the bar 32. Would you say that's chop?
Yes.
Of course it is. Look at it. That's unbelievable. So what do we expect to happen? 80s, 88, right here, 88, 93. This 5 point, chop, 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 chop. 91, is still 91 important to us? You bet it is. All right, we're all gonna see together the breakoff of that 91, right? Okay, so what does that mean? Well, we are in a snake, micro, 5 points right here, long the low, short the high, but you know the importance of 91. A clean break of 91, we know price is going to continue going all the way to 96. So let's go ahead and put a resistance 96 right here, right? 96, right? And what's the other one? And what's the next support below? It's 81, right? 81, right? 81. Here we go, 81. That's where the bears want to take it. Look at this. So they try to. 91, look at 91. 91, oh my God, look at 91, look at 91, man, look at 91, look at 91. In other words, both bulls and bears, are making money, but you need to know this strategy. Hey, how should I play this? Scalp it. Right? If you were fooled by the market on 932, when the price took the pivot low right there, 88.5, and then you say, oh my God, this is gonna continue going down. You have to wait until the close, right? Because look at what happened. Boom! Oh my God, I went short, man! I went short right there, 90, and the price only went to 87, right? 87, 88, 2.5 points. Right? If you're doing bracket orders, which you all should know exactly what bracket orders are and how to do them. Of course, you'll know. You're all professionals, right? Get the hell out of there, right? We have to. We know 91 is going to be a pain in the butt for everybody. We know that. So you're up and down. Oh my God, but I'm paying commissions. So what? That's the cost of doing business. Right? So what do we do? Oh, okay. So where's the price? Where's the price spending more time, right? Above 90, right? 90, 91. Okay, we know that a clean break of 90, right? 91 right here. The price is going to continue going to 96. We know that. All right? So the odds are that this open, when it breaks, when this chop is done, it's on its way to 96. So remember what I told you, right? 90, 91. It's our friend, right? The open comes first. There's a lot of people that don't trade until the 5th minute. They give 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom! Look at the minute number 5. Minute number 5 told us. Oh, okay. Bulls are in control. All righty. All right. So as long as the price is above 90, where is it going to go to? 96. That's 6 points, right? No, but by the time that bar closed, it was 91.50 already. Well, because of the chop, look at the 90. Look at the 90 long. Look at the 90 long, right? Beautiful. Right? Minute at 9:36. Boom! It comes back to 90. Pick you up. You know it's going to 96. That's your plan. Who's? The bulls. Those of us who are long one position somewhere, long 90, our job is to make 6 points all the way to 96. That's the job of those who are long 90, that you have to make a decision, right? You have to make a decision as to, what you want to do. All right then. All right, so a clean break of 90, then what do you think is going to happen? Chop, 87, 90, 3 points. 87, 90, 97, 97, 90, 90, 97, right? What do you think just happened right now, those who went long 90? Log 94, 4 points. Did I tell you? Scalp this son of a gun. Scalp this son of a gun. Right? All righty. Okay. That's what they're doing, making 2, 3. All right, so remember, we moved our 91 to 90.
Yes.
All right, so look at 90. What do you think happened right here at 90? Boom, bam, boom, bing, back, boom, ping, bang, 93, taking 93, boom, 94. What do you think? It's going to go to 96, mistake, in one straight line?
Most likely not.
Usually that's not the way it happens, right?
Right.
But what do we know is going to happen in due time? That is going to 96.
Correct.
Do we not?
Yes, we do.
Is that 91, mistake? I mean 91, 96.
96 quarter.
It is 96 quarter. Oh, gee. There you go. So, ladies and gentlemen, what tells you that the system that told you that a break of 90, the price was going to continue going 6 points to 96? What does that tell you? That tells you that the system that you're following is pretty cool. Why? Because it goes to 96 quarter and it cannot take it. So what does that do to your system? Oh my God, I think that the system I'm following is a bad-ass system, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
That's what this action tells you. Not only your system told you, be long above 90, look at this beautiful second mouth, right? Right, smart money's going to try to take it, but we know it's going to 96. It goes to 96 quarter. You log your 6 points right here, right? And the main play is what? Bullish. That's the main play, all right? That doesn't mean that because the main play is bullish that we're not going to counter trend. Look at this beautiful counter trend, right? Isn't that what we always do?
Yeah.
Counter trend once the market goes to our target. 96 is target 1. Oh my God, Capi, but this target was so small, man. It's not up to me. Right? If there is no volatility, if the market itself is afraid to move, we need to know when the target 1 is going to be 6 points, and we need to know when target 1 is going to be 60 points. That's the secret, knowing that. Remember what I told you, ladies and gentlemen. We're not in a downtrend. We're not in an uptrend. This is major scalping. Alrighty. Oh, okay. Hey, Capi, so whatever happened to 81, man? Is in the back burner, or what do you think? Still there. Leave it there. Don't move it, right? Because we're going to continue reading the market minute to minute, second to second, bar by bar, right?
Yes.
And what is 96? 96 is a counter trend short. So, the bears that took the counter trend short, what is it that they think is going to happen? That the price is going to go down all the way to the low. It's going to have a hard time taking 90. Once 90 is clean taken, it's going to test the low, 87, and then they, bears, are going to ride it where to? 81, ladies and gentlemen. All right? So we are long 90. Counter trend short 96. Not only we took 6 points right here, 96. Counter trend short 96, right? The main play is bullish. To be invalidated, the price next needs to destroy 90. Not 87.5, no, our 90. Okay, a clean break of 90 to the downside invalidates the main play long in which we are now, right? We have to trade the 90 long as the main play and 96 short as a counter trend. Okay? All right. And that, my friends, is day trading. This is really important. Okay? Day trading is not about trading every day, but the right day. So when is the right day? Well, the right day is when the market is moving rhythmically. It has nothing to do with your system. Your system needs to be able to determine if the market is moving rhythmically and is it going to continue moving rhythmically? Because remember, we don't give a rat's ass as to what already happened. We're only interested in what's going to happen when, mistake?
In the future.
In the future. Next. So in other words, ladies and gentlemen, you know, now, knowing direction is extremely difficult. Most traders have no idea what the future direction is going to be. But let's say that they nail it, and oh my God, I went long and the market is going up. They have no clue where they're going to get the hell out. They have no idea where the price is going. They don't know it. Did we know it today, Mistake 96?
Absolutely.
Okay, that's the difference between them and us. We know exactly direction. We know exactly what's the best entry location. Sometimes it's going to be a razor sharp, and sometimes you have to fight it, right? And we know where it's going, so that we know where to let it ride. How many times I said, let it ride to 96? Let it ride to 96. What do you think the price recoil off of 96 so beautifully, Mystique? Because all of us got out 96. So in other words, we're moving the market. All right, ladies and gentlemen. 81 by way of 85. So in other words, we are expecting the price to break the low and continue to 85. Right? So 96 to 85. 85 is a destination, it's not a target. So we're not going to be looking to buy 85. The short 96, we want to write it to 81. 81 to 96, that's 15 points. Mistake, I'm going to ask you, I know that I'm always hassling you. Is the price going to go in one straight line to 81?
Most likely not.
Most likely not. But that's our job on this short 96. I know many of you prefer counter trend than the main play, and that's perfectly fine, right? Right. So if the price had taken 96, you made 6, 7, 8 points right here, 96, right? You go counter trend, price continue going up, you get the hell out, you lose 1, 2 points, you made 5, 6, 7, you're good, right? And that's why it's okay to counter trend. Counter trend if you have a system that every time it tells you, hey, listen, this level right here, it's pretty good, then you do it. And if you see your system doing it, calling the best levels in the planet every single day, then you have confidence. Is that 85 half Mistake?
Yes.
What did I say? Destination was 85, right?
85.
All right. So I missed it by 2 ticks, right?
Right.
On this drop. Well, we'll see what's going to happen. So in other words, 85. I'm expecting bears to log 85. 96, 85. They're going to make 11 points. They're happy with it. We, on the other hand, we are happy too, but we are going 81. All right, we're going to let it ride to 81. Hey, Cappy, what the hell ever happened with the main play long 90? What did I say 25 minutes ago? Break of 90 invalidated. That's it. You're done with that one. Now you are managing your counter trend short 96, which at the break of 90 became the main play. All right? Okay, so now you know what type of trade the counter trend short 96 has become. It's the main play. So your job is to ride it to 81. Now, we need to know not only where the price is going, but how it's going to get there, right? What did I tell you 5 minutes ago? By way of what, Misty? By way of
85.
By way of 85. Look at what just happened.
Yeah.
So in other words, you need a system that tells you direction, best entry location, what type of trade are you taking, where is it going, and how the hell it's going to get there. 85. In other words, we know that bulls are going to look a little bit of, they're going to, we know that bears are going to log 11 points right here at 85. But we also measure it, and we believe, it's our humble opinion, that it's going to continue going to,
81.
to 81, right? Okay, so we want to milk the market. That's what we want to do, right? In other words, we want to extract as much as we possibly can. That's why we are professional traders. 84. Okay. 82, right? And this is, ladies and gentlemen, how you trade the open. This is how you really trade the open. You do exactly what we did. How can you do everything that we did? Well, you need to know everything I told you. You need to know the importance of levels. You need to know the strengths. You need to know where to. You need to know where the price is going. How to take it. You need to know what type of trade you're gonna take. You know, this is trading the open. You know, this is the real. All right, this is trading the open like a CEO. Mystique, if I'm
81.
you correct me if I'm if I didn't get it, but boom.
78.
Is this a nice break of 81 and 78? Plenty of room to lock 81, 80, 79, plenty of room, right? And you're not gonna go long counter trend long 81, right? Because you saw the momentum, so you're gonna pulse it out. Right? 81, 80, 79, boom, 78. Oh my God, look, 78 quarters stopped it. All right, so you are aggressive. You are long here, 79. Oh my God, yeah, CAPI, counter trend. That's right, counter trended. We know that 81 and below, a couple of points, is support because our system says so. However, 81 is target 1. Yeah, no, CAPI, I'm not going to counter trend, man. Look at this. This baby's going. Just tell me where it's going next. It doesn't matter if it takes forever to continue going down all the way to target 2. That's where I'm going to write it, to target 2. All right, give me a couple of minutes. Let me see where it's going. Let me wait. Jamie Dimon is going to call me anytime, and he's going to tell me. So hang in there. So that's why most people just cannot do it. Change hats, right? Long, short, long the buy the long, short the high, right? Why? Because we know, right? We know better. That's what separates the professional trader with the other traders that just scare money and stuff like that, right? Those of you who want to take advantage of a long move, price right now 77. The odds are price is gonna go down 17 more points. Where to, Mystique? 17, below 77 at 60. All right, 60. That's where it's going. So as long as we don't have anything telling us that there has been a change in direction, that the smart money just went ahead and this drop was nothing but a squeeze of the bulls, then we are expecting a continuation all the way to 60. Alrighty? Yeah, oh my God, 60, CAPI? Oh my God, I'm so happy I shorted your 96, man. 96 minus 60, how many points is that? That's 36 points we're after this morning, the day that the FOMC meeting began. Is it going to go to 60 in one shot, Mystique, in straight line?
Most likely.
All right, most likely not, right? But that's our job. So what do we do from now on? Well, let's see what resistances are. Let's see how strong is the brace going to be. Let's see if the smart money decides to change direction. They can change direction from right here from 76, right?
Yes.
Any second, right?
Yes.
And then what do? Well, we put, if we see a change in direction, we put 60 on the back burner. Thank you, Mystique. We put 60 in the back burner until, right? Because the price is not going to go to 17 more points and we're going to buy 2 Lamborghinis today, right? So our job is to stop, break even, start trading. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we did nail the top, which is what we do all the time, which is what we go after. Nail the top, nail the bottom. That's what we do. Right?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Well, not nice, but okay. Break of this little, of this last pivot low, 76 half. Nice break, right? But what is it that we really, really like? The price could not go to 81. Remember 81? Look at this. Price goes to 76 half. You're right. It tries to go up because, like I told you, we all.
Like you said.
74, right?
Yeah.
All right. Isn't that what I said? 74?
You said it. Yeah.
Is that 74 to the tick,
To
mister?
the tick.
All right. Well, so what can I say? All right. So 74 to the tick. All right. So, all right. Why? Well, because there is a lot of bulls that wants to go long. They know 81 it's support, 81 to 74. Oh my God! Look at this, beautiful. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and put it bigger here so that we can see it better. All right. So, oh my God, look, 74, man. Yeah, that's right. 81. So, what is it that we really like? That the price only went to 80. It couldn't even test our 81. Right? So the hardest it is for the price to go and test our prior support, which is why we got out 81, 80, 79, right? And now is resistance, the better. Okay, 74.
That's where it was going. The price went there at 10:17.
At 10.13.
Yeah.
Okay, so here when the price was at 79, that's when I say price is gonna continue going down by way of 74. Look at that. So what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. It took 5 minutes for the price to go to my 74, and look at it. This 74, this dropped to 74 to the tick. What does that tell you? That tells you that the system that you're following, it's unbelievable. It's unique in the planet.
Yeah.
Every single, well, not every single, but 90% of our levels of support and resistance, the price go to the tick, Mystic.
Yes.
Tell me that's not witchcraft.
That is witchcraft.
Exactly what the weak trader does. Yesterday, it was a tough day. We were going in, we were going down. Of course, we ended the day green. Last week was tough too. So the weak trader comes today, and they're afraid to follow the system that they know that they have proved it's an amazing system. Because we had a couple of bad, not bad days, tough days. So then today they're afraid and they don't do what they're supposed to do. And it just so happened that today is the day, the 20% of the time in which we make 80% of our profits, right? You have to put up with a lot of chop days, 80% of the time, so that you are playing the 20% of the time in which you're going to nail a trend. So a day like today not only scratches all the little losses that we had, not yesterday because we never have a loss, right? For the day. I'm not talking about trades. Of course, we have plenty of losing trades. Very small. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there is a new support, and that support, my friends, just happens to be only 2 points below the last low. 74 is 72. So why is that important that we know it? Don't expect a clean break of 74 and a Lamborghini all the way to 60, right? That's not gonna happen. All right. Remember that we need to know at all times, minute to minute, second to second, tick by tick, bar to bar, not only where the price is going, but how it's gonna get there. I'm expecting 72 not be easily, nicely, clean taken. It's not gonna happen. All right. Remember, 81 to 60. How many points is from 81 to 60? That's 21 points. What do you think, that we're gonna get 21 points in a straight line? No. However, look at this beautiful bounce all the way to our resistance, 81. So what do you think 81 is? It's an add to a winner short. so that we have a bigger position, right? So we have a bigger, so we have a bigger position, expecting the price to, to continue to our plan. We have a plan, and we're gonna follow it. Period. Strong, discipline, right? Like a professional, like a real professional, right?
Right.
So we have a plan. We're gonna do it. So price goes all the way to our resistance 81. It helps to that tick, an opportunity for us to add to a winner or to establish a new position. Sure, if you just went ahead and you got out 96, 74, 96, right? 96 minus 74 mistake. That's 22 points, right?
That's correct.
You were happy with 22 points. You got all out. Price goes to 81. You know the importance of 81. Price cannot take it, cannot take it, cannot take it. You get some confidence back that, you know what, I'm going to take another risk. I'm going to ride this 81.60. That's 21 more points that you're after now. Clean break of 81, you get the hell out. That's all there is to it. And if the price takes 81, you know that it's Goldman taking your stop. They know that all the multimillionaire teenagers on YouTube that claim they're real traders, they have their stop at, somewhere around here, at 81, right? In their demo account, because we know that they have never ever traded one single day in their entire life. We know that. So what do? Keep on playing. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but is that 70? Is that 72?
Correct.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, 72 is a destination. All right? It's not a target. We're going to let her ride all the way to 60. Now, if you want to get out here 70, I mean, you just made what? How many points? Come on, from our shore. You make what? 25, 30 points. You're up to 30 points. Then I'm not going to get mad at you if you look here 70, right?
You're
But
the car dealer to get a
but leave a little bit of room to take 10 more points. There's no reason to get out. Just leave a couple of contracts and ride it to 60. Yeah, I know we're not going to get 10 more points in 10 minutes or 10 seconds, right? Doesn't matter, right? Confident money and je ne sais quoi money. Let's ride to 60. You know what je ne sais quoi means, Ms. Dick?
Yes, it means I don't know.
Yeah, no. I know you didn't know. Je ne sais quoi means money that you have to have certain disregard for money. To be a day trader, a professional day trader, at this point, you've already made 20, 25 to 30 points, right? You have to have certain je ne sais quoi about money. Just let it ride to 60. If it goes to 60, terrific. If it doesn't, just let the bounce take your trail. That's all there is to it, right? You're already happy. That's what that means, Mystique. We have another destination, 64. All right, that's another destination. All of this right here below 74, 72, and this low right here, 68, is just the flow of the market. We don't have supports anywhere, none of this. All right, the next support before 60 is 64. All right.